Well, it gives us something different from what we've been doing, because once the league is going to start next year, and there's nothing like, I wouldn't say seriousness, but the intensity of what we're doing is now high. Everybody has a different attitude, different impression, just like the players, technical team, and of course management. And so it brings a bit of pressure, a positive pressure. So we'll have to cope with that very well positively and work and bring out something good. Hopefully we'll be able to go on in camping, get into training camp for probably 10 days, get some friendly, international friendly matches to, understand what kind of situation we are about to face, and so this is the scope of our preparation, and hopefully it will, but it's a gradual process. You cannot just get up today and say, yes, I want to win AFCON. First of all, our league is sort of, I wouldn't say weak, but we don't have any major competition, and so it's a major issue. However, we've prepared to play friendly matches. Black Star was a big preparation for us. We didn't know even we were going to go into Confederation Cup, and so it's been a good preparation. We're looking forward to have another international friendly. Those who have experienced the Confederation Cup or Champions League, to have experience of that nature, and I believe with the new players coming in, they will understand and learn quickly so that we can all get on board. The major thing is we have to be ready. We have no excuse now, even though I'm saying these things, we have no excuse. We have to be ready. We have to be able to showcase our talent and impress our fans, in that manner. Going to Africa is a good thing. You might see it as a negative thing. You don't have the impression, or you don't have in mind we are going to win, but the exposure, the fact that you get there, it's something for the boys, and we'll build on that. And I'm not saying we're just going to have fun and we want to do our best, do very well, and go very far. You will agree with me that if you look at our competition level where we are playing, and then of course where we stand now in the situation, it is not, it won't be, but we are there. We are there, and we want to do our best to get it right.
We will be ready by then.
Yes, we should be ready. We should be ready. Like I said, there's no turning back. We face the situation where we are going to Africa, and we will have to do it. And we try, as me and my technical team, we will do our best. We will do our very best to go very, very far in this system.